Good morning, everyone. It's Antonio here in Westland, Oregon, Westland Gardener. Doing a quick video on this fig today. This is the Celeste. Let me go ahead and take it down. Let me show you first. So, it's a bit on the smaller side, the Celeste, but what it does lack in size, it makes up for in sweetness. Let me go ahead and pull it up here. See, difficulty focusing. Okay, there it is. All right, so that's the Celeste. Okay, let me put it down. And actually what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get a Chicago Hardy just as comparison. Let me see. All right, so here's a Chicago Hardy there. Doesn't look like it's ready or quite ripe yet, but you know what, I'll go ahead and pick it anyway, just to do that comparison. Okay, so here's a standard Chicago Hardy. So now I'll go ahead and put it next to Celeste. All right, so there's the difference there in size. You see Chicago Hardy there, and Celeste. Okay. All right. Let me try that again. All right, so there it is. Okay. All right, super. So both on the darker side, well, I mean darker skin side, I guess. The Chicago Hardy Mount Etna variety, so it's going to be reddish on the inside, and the Celeste there also similar in terms of the kind of reddish kind of interior there. So we'll go ahead and give this a quick weigh. Chicago Hardy typically averages around mid 20 something grams. I believe 26, 25 grams typically. So that one there wasn't quite the average. It was about 21, and then the Celeste is averaging 12 grams. Okay, so it is smaller. Let me go ahead and cut them open so you can get a look on the inside. All right, so moving the camera around here so we can get some sun, and so you can really get a look on the inside. So as I said earlier, the Chicago Hardy wasn't quite fully ripe yet, so you won't see the full color that you normally would see, but the Celeste was fully ripe and ready to go. Let me focus. Okay, let me see if I can get a closer view there. All right, so I'm not sure what's going on with the camera, but there it is, pretty jammy. Okay, so let's give it a taste. All right, so very sweet berry taste. And that's the thing about Celeste, is that it's pretty sweet compared to like the other figs. I mean, sometimes I've found that it's a bit too sweet. but yeah, I mean, if there's such a thing, I mean, if you really like sweet figs, I like mine more on the kind of melony side, so where they're not super sweet. Chicago Hardy, berry flavor, not very sweet, melony, refreshing. Even though it's not fully ripe yet, it was still pretty tasty. So yeah, this one definitely is way sweeter, a lot sweeter than the Chicago Hardy. I mean, granted, it is riper than the Chicago Hardy, but even then, even if they were both relatively the comparable ripeness to each other, the Celeste would be a riper fig, or I'm sorry, sweeter fig. All right, so that is the Celeste fig here in Westland, Oregon. All right, thank you for watching.